Is it playing? Okay, so we have been waiting for our 10 minutes. We're not done with our slime yet. We gotta add our unicorn shimmer or unicorn sparkle. Guys, and our mom has to help us. Guys, okay, can you cut this first? How does our mom have to help us? Oh my gosh, it's like a red. It feels so weird. This slime feels so weird. Putting my shimmers in here. So she has to take it out. Yeah, I'm gonna shimmer it around. Okay, so Addie's going first. I already put mine in. Whoa. You're not done with yours yet. Me? That's a mixed one. Oh, jeez. And then you just keep stirring it. Guys, it's my turn. Here it is. Look. Let me see what your sparkles look. Look at it. Unicorn shimmer makes your slime lighter. So. Okay, now what do we do next? Is that our last thing? Uh-huh. Wow. No, we can't open it yet. We have to make it a surprise. Okay, so me and Sophie are gonna go down. Maddie's going to show hers first. I'm not done with mine. Then I will. I'm mixing mine. I think I will go last because I am the smallest in here because they're 8, 7, so I'm gonna go last. Wait, I should actually go first. No. Yeah. Well, I should go last. I'm gonna go first because mine's ready. Yeah. Mine's ready. Mine is ready, so I'm gonna show mine first. Hey, get down. Is that all you got? No, that's not. Okay, Maddie, get down. Okay. No, mine isn't. I'm not done revealing mine. Whoa! Now this is some good slime. You're gonna go. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm not done. Ew, okay. My slime's so weird. Okay, put down. Okay, mine is officially done. Mine is officially done. This is what it looks like. It's so cool, but it's actually gonna stuck in my hand. So, guys, I already get stuck in my hands. No, it got stuck on my hands.
Oh, is it stuck on your hands?
Yeah.
Oh.
Let me feel it. I already have one like this. It's too watery.
Uh-oh.
Oh, this is
Maddie, what do we do when it's too watery?
Watery?
Yeah.
Let me see.
It needs some more thickness. What do you do to make it more thicker, Maddie?
Probably what you do.
Oh, no.
Put more of. What if you put more of this in? What if you put more of this in? Will it make it thicker? She didn't use any of this that much. Yeah, because it all spilled. Maybe that's why.
Oh, that's what it is. Yeah.
We'll have to get her more. Let's get her more.
No, hold on. Don't open any more. No, hold on.
I don't have any.
No, because if you add it now, I think it's too late. So I'm trying to think. Well,
wait, this is all hers? We could put this in.
yeah, maybe.
Okay. Then I already have one like this. Okay.
Maybe.
Okay. This is definitely too sticky on me.
Yeah.
So I guess I maybe have to make another one that's way more. Wait, but Maddie doesn't have any more of this. My sister does.
But I don't know if she's gonna Maddie.
She would be nice. I'll go ask her.
No, hold on.
She's
We'll make it work.
Oh my gosh, Addie!
It's fine. We'll figure something else out.
I'll use this. Okay, I'm gonna wash this off my hands.
Yeah. Probably just wash that.
I could go ask Bella for some more of that stuff.
I think it's gonna be fine. I think I can make it fine.
My mom's
stuff here.
Well, my dad's one of the professionals. My mom's like the 4th professional out of this family.
Excuse me?
We're doing a YouTube video.
I'm the one over here helping, and you're knocking me.
Okay, guys, we have to pause this. Okay, we're gonna pause this. Bye, guys. No, that's not how you pause it.
I got it figured out. I'm gonna pause it. No, I'm actually the slime master. I can fix this.
Well, I'm the slime master because I'm the one who told you about slime, of how you can make it and what you could use to master.
Hey, I am I'm fixing the slime and making it better. Hold on, I'm working on it.
Jeez, bye.
Hold on.